Guys, in this video it's my monthly shopping, right? So new month is coming, which is May, so this is how I shop for the month to come. All right, and also please forgive me, in this video it was night, so please forgive me for the crickets in the background. Okay, it was night, so yeah, enjoy this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie and this is Mia. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great contents that I'll be posting. So in my previous vlog, you saw that I went to the supermarket with Mia, and now we're gonna do a grocery haul. All right, so we're gonna show you everything that we got, everything that we bought today. We paid some bills and we went, so first we paid some bills. We went to the market, like we get some things down into the market. We went to meat shop, and then we went to the supermarket. Yes, we went to the supermarket. So we're gonna show you everything. We're gonna show you guys everything that we got, and
we have banana.
Yeah, we have banana. We got some.
We have crackers.
We have crackers.
And snacks.
And
plate.
Yeah. So we're gonna show them everything that we got. Remember guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell. So each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. Okay, you're here. All right. So let's get right into this grocery haul.
We're gonna show you something that we're gonna go to the market.
That we got from the market. Alright guys, so we got some bush tea. Bush tea. So this is cold bush.
Yeah, it's cold bush tea.
Yeah, I don't really remember the name of the bush, but as you can see, we got some cold bush. Yeah.
We got some cold bush in the market.
And then this is fever grass.
Yeah, it's a fever grass.
Yeah, so you know,
it does look like a tea.
Yeah, it's a tea.
Yeah, it's a fever grass.
Yeah, the lady that I bought it from was telling me that I can the fever grass is nice with ginger. So she said I can cut up some ginger and put it with the fever grass, and it's nice. Me never tried that before, but we can try that. Yeah, so fever grass.
Yeah, fever grass.
This is mint.
Yeah, mint. It's mint tea.
Mint bush, yeah. Tea. Yeah.
Yes, mint tea.
All right. We also got aloe vera.
Yeah, it look like
we also call it Cinco Bible.
It look like it's Cinco Bible. But
so this is aloe vera, which we normally call Cinco Bible. So normally I just peel off the skin and
peel off the skin
and slice it up, and we just
slice it up.
Swallow it, chew it up, swallow it, blend it up, everything. So this is good, and you can also use it in our hair. When you wash your hair, when I wash your hair, I can use it in your hair to make it grow and all of that. Yeah, this is this bag. So all right guys, so I'm gonna hurry up and do the meat because I want to hurry up and put them in the freezer. So right here I got
chicken.
Yeah, this is 5 pound of mixed parts. So we have if I'm gonna mix it, is either 5 or 4 pound. I'm not sure, but I think everything is 4 pound though. Yeah, I think everything is 4 pound. So we got 4 pound of mixed parts. We have 4 pound of local mutton. Guys, when you could tell me say as a local mutton expensive, 4 pound of local mutton a $6,000. Yes, it's very expensive. And then I got fish. I got 4 pounds of sliced fish. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer right now because them are drip. Alright, so we have
nuggets.
Yeah, it's dripping. So we got some nuggets, some rainforest fries, French fries. Yeah.
Orange. We have orange.
Yes.
Corn.
Yeah, corn on the cob.
We have corn on the cup.
Yeah.
Now we have mommy's cup.
Yeah, so I bought a cup and it says today is a fruit day.
Yeah, today is a fruit day.
Yeah, it's a cute cup. I got it. Yeah.
But it's for mommy either, but she doesn't buy no cup for me.
We have a lot of cup already.
But I just want a cup like you.
Alright. I also got
Plate.
yeah, food containers. You know, back to school is coming up and we decided to get more of this, you know, for pack lunch and all of that. And guys, I didn't get any burger meat. I wanted burger, but I didn't get any burger meat. But probably I can go somewhere else to get the burger.
Yeah, I just want to go with mommy.
I also bought a baking tin or pantry. I don't know. It kind of been up because you know we are traveling and all of that. But yeah, I also got this. So we got some shower curtain. We got this one
and this one.
Show them. So this, yeah, shower curtain. We have bleach Oxymaster. We have an overnight pad. What is this?
Spray.
Air freshener. Smell it. Smell nice.
Mommy, spray it again.
No. So we got that. We have our
soap.
Bathing soap, which is Protex. It's 3 packs. You know, 3 coming at it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have our paper towel. Suavitel, Downy, dishwashing liquid,
powder,
Amins powder. Yeah. So,
pear soap.
yeah, we got 3 pear soap. Toothpaste and a kiddie's toothpaste. Olive oil.
Yeah.
Also bought some wipes. Yeah. So we have a big box right here. It's very heavy because it mostly have like tin things and I don't really remember what they are at the bottom, but the things they're not organized, so anything we see we are shown. Okay, so what's that?
This is a snack bag.
So we have combo pack, right? You know, it's school time, so we have to stock up on the snacks them and all of that. As I'm saying, the last grocery haul that I did, we have to stash off some of the snacks them because we don't want everything done one time. So about 3 combo packs, right? So 3 combo packs. I also grab a banana, even though I'm supposed to get more market stuffs, so I just grab the banana. And I think I have some plantain. Yeah. So what else we have right here?
We have 4 crackers.
Yeah, 4 crackers. as we said in the last grocery haul, in my house, crackers, no loss, and bread. So you see, crackers and bread is our favorite thing. Yeah, especially the crackers.
Yeah.
Crackers and bread. I feel my favorite thing that.
Especially the bread.
Especially the bread?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Alright, so we have vinegar.
Vinegar.
Mayo.
Mayo.
Corned beef. We bought 3 of this. 3 corned beef. Big. 3 big
but
corned beef.
It look like it's a bully beef.
Yeah, bully beef, corned beef.
Yeah, bully beef corn. Bully beef corned beef.
What else? Alright guys, we have Ensure.
Ensure.
And we bought 6 Ensure. We're not going to go the whole 6 of them tonight, but we bought 6 Ensure. We have baked bean, which we got 3 baked beans. What else we have in there? Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Yeah, sweet corn. You know, you can mix a sweet corn with a bully beef or, you know, sweet corn. And we have tin milk. So I got 4 Betty tin milk. Alright, so we have cran juice. So we have the red one about 6. So we have 3 red and 3 white cran juice. Ginger beer, I got 3 of this. Supplegen, 3 supplegen. No, 6 supplegen. 6 supplegen. Me love Apple J. Yeah, Apple J. Love Apple J. And she have more Ensure. As you guys heard, I bought 6 Ensures. You know, we have Malta, about 3. I bought Chinese sauce. We have the vanilla, you know, for put in our porridge. Lemon juice. Yeah. Cooking oil.
Guys, let me show you something, okay? One more Ensure.
That's supplegen.
One more supplegen.
2 supplegen. As I said, about 6 of them. And then I got a big Tropicana.
Guys.
Yeah. Alright, so we bought a big fab soap.
And we have got
5 pound of flour.
yeah. And we have
5 pound of rice.
and 3 pound Alaska.
3 pound Alaska?
Yeah.
No, it's not pound. I have Lasco, about 6 Lasco, and I also bought I'm gonna try this, the Lasco Lasoi thingy.
What is that?
Yeah, it's something similar to this Lasco. Yeah, so we're not gonna talk about everything tonight. We just are telling you what and what we got. Alright, so sugar, we got Kisco. I got 2 Kisco. Case of juice for school.
Yeah, for me too.
Yeah, we got a big apple juice. I'm gonna try these peanut porridge mix. Yeah, go try this peanut porridge mix. Yep. So I got these and national bun, which is we got 6 national bun.
Mommy,
as we said, we're not gonna really talk out everything.
Mommy,
we got
does
yes.
it look like a national bun?
Is what? It's bun. Is the brand is national. So you have spice bun, you have national bun, but about this the national bun instead of the spice bun. So it's just a brand, okay?
Okay.
Show them your lip gloss.
Okay.
I got her a lip gloss. So moving on to the seasoning, we have bouillon. This is the vegetable bouillon. I'm gonna try this vegetable bouillon. I normally buy I think they have chicken one or the garlic and onion. So this time I'm gonna try the vegetable bouillon. You know, we have all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, refined cornmeal, cinnamon sticks, you know, to put in our porridge. I got the chicken seasoning as well, garlic. Even though I said I have more market stuff coming in, but I buy garlic. And I also don't tell me so this burst. Baking powder. My baking powder burst. I forgot to put on bag over it or something. It must did squeeze up or something. But about baking powder, you know, we go make back with fried dumpling. Yeah. So about the baking powder, fish seasoning, cheese to go our bun. About peas, you know, we have to cook with Sunday dinner, rice and peas, or if we are gonna look about we red pea soup and all of that. Yeah, so we have much bags leave. We have 2 more bags leaves. All right, so spaghetti, we bought three spaghetti. Tuna in water. Yeah, we love tuna. Sardine. We got mac and cheese, about 4. Have baking soda. We have coconut milk powder. Big chiffon butter. Bag is basically finished. We're gonna go through this bag now. The final bag, we're gonna go through that bag.
We have strawberry snack.
Cherry berries.
Cherry berry snack.
Yeah, so we bought 3. Cheese sticks, onion rings, cheese ball, zoomer, cheese curls, Pringles,
3.
Crackers or animal biscuit, we bought 3 of this. Tigers, plantain chips.
No, banana chips.
Yeah, sorry, banana chips. Thank you. And plantain chips. So guys, we shopping 3. So everything we have to put a 3 we buy them, right? Potato chips.
3.
Yeah. Got them these bridge. 3 chocolate and 3 strawberry. Club Social.
3.
Yeah. Parrot biscuit or parrot cookie.
4.
3 blue and 3 pink. So that's what, 6.
Mommy, this is not pink.
Red. We also got peppermint tea and Tetley tea. But we also bought chocolate tea. Here's another cheese. Mia loves this, the Excelsior butter bread. I know she love it. Our grandfather always buy it, and she love it. So I decided to buy it. I got 3 of them. She love the butter bread. Yeah. Me not so love it, but it tastes good. You know, don't get me wrong, it tastes good, but me not so love it, but she love the butter bread. Yeah. Now we have the Tetley tea. We got 2 plantain, but as I said, my market stuff are coming, so you know I'm gonna get more plantain, but me just buy them here, you know, tomorrow if you look for breakfast and all of that. So everything market goodies go coming soon, but me just grab them here in case they not come in time. Yeah. Alright, we also have the chocolate chip cookie. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. That was our huge grocery haul, meat shop, and you know, my market things them soon come, probably tomorrow or the other day, probably tomorrow or the next day. the market stuff are gonna come in. So this is our bill, guys. Yeah, this is the bill. And I have a membership card, so you know them take off discounts and all of that. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's the next day and we're gonna do the market haul. I just got my market stuffs, so let's go. So I got a pineapple. Yeah, I got 1 dozen apples, 2-pound pumpkin, ripe banana. I got cantaloupe, melon, yeah, 1 dozen green banana, skeleton thyme. I got some lettuce, tomato, onion. Those are 2 pound. Pak choy, more pak choy, callaloo, sweet pepper or bell peppers, but you know we are Jamaicans, we say sweet pepper, yam, sweet potato, cabbage, plantain, carrot, Irish potato, more garlic, and some cucumbers. I'm supposed to get some orange, but I never get the orange them, so I just go contact by the person, so I not get no orange, so I can get orange. And eggs, I need 1 tray of egg. Yeah, we need 1 tray of egg. But yeah, that's it guys. So
the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. So shall it be done.
good girl. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell, so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.